right, so what style did we want to build?
It is Peace and Justice, please.
And now the Peace and Justice begins. Alright, so we do have a couple accessories. These hilt stands light up the different kyber crystals. Those are 50. Belt clips that are 20 if you're interested in either of those.
Okay.
So I have a couple things I'm going to give you. Your cargo slip, you will not need unless you ship it home.
Okay.
And I'm guessing you're the builders.
I am.
All right, so this pin is for you to keep. Please wear it up at the top of your shirt.
Okay.
And this credential. So this we're going to trade out for scrap metal once you get inside. But this is your temporary ticket to get you plus your guest in. Okay. Please keep this out if you want me to show it.
Okay.
You guys are all set.
Thank you.
Austin right over here at this gate. Have fun. Williams.
Perfect. All right. So I'll let you guys in. I'm just going to give you some rules of the workshop here real quick. So no food or drinks. That takes no photos as you want. Just make sure your flash is turned off and your device is set to silent. When we enter, there's going to be 2 silver tubes inside of our build stations. Those are chambers. Just please don't lean on them or touch them. They're quite sensitive. They'll break. My builder, whenever you get a chance, put that pin on your shirt, hold your chest so you can see it, and hold that purple credential card up high while we're walking inside.
Okay.
My guests, just staying close to your builder at all times around the workshop. And if you want to drop off your bags, feel free to do so. In front of you, behind you, just now on the table.
Okay. Thank you.
Wherever you want, okay?
Thank you.
Anytime.
Gets it out of your way. Gives you a good shoulder stretch. Very nicely done. Right there, my friend. Here. Go ahead and put those credentials as far forward as you can. Done, everyone. You've all found your way here. Everyone has a place to be. So officially, welcome. I know the workshop is a little, it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now you might be thinking we are surrounded by a lot of old junk. Rest assured, some of this is new junk. Now you're going to have the opportunity to meet Melanie and Jeremy. You'll meet Dana and Zach. You'll meet Nick. You'll meet Michael. You will call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. How many of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker? Just about everyone. Good. And now we understand there is another. A new Jedi. Tell me her name. Rey, correct. A scrapper, just like us. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that is why you're here, to look ahead, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let's get started. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. There are those who say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. For example, blue, as wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, great master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, as wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. So, now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. No peeking. Picture those kyber crystals in your mind's eye. What color shines brightest to you? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your kyber crystal. Well chosen, my friends. Now that you've selected those kyber crystals, feel free, as many have done, to place them in a green crystal holder directly in front of you. Don't worry, we're going to get right back to those. They're not going to be alone for long. We are going to join them with the saber design that you have chosen. We will begin by building a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. Very important part. Now, as you look down, you will see the components for the saber design that you've selected. You'll find a chassis, activation plates, a selection of grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will choose the pieces that make up your own individual lightsaber. The gatherer directly in front of you is here to help you along this path. So let's build.
Alright, my friends, we're going to start by grabbing our chassis, making sure these vents are facing up. On the inside, you will see there is a bit of a preloaded panel at the very top. If you grab the biggest part of your kyber crystal, there will be a little divot where that kyber crystal rests. You'll be able to push up against that preloaded panel, hold it nice and tight, and you'll be able to align it to where these panels. You should be able to get this without it really next to where the blue square is. You should be able to spin it, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Beautiful. Now we're going to move on to our activation plates. So on the side of your chassis is going to be a blue and red square. It's going to match up with the activation plates that you choose. So you're going to look over here, my friend. Choose one of those sets. Blue square with the blue square and red square with the red square. So for example here, I've got my blue square. And I'm going to make sure it's touching the blue square on my chassis, covering one side of the crystal. And your red is going to go on top of the red square as well, covering the remaining. Go ahead and move up on your switch. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to the grips. You can choose 2 out of the 4 in any combination that you like, as long as the thicker metal band is touching your switch. So it can either go like this, or it can go on the other side like this. when it's on the side that you want it, you're going to push towards your switch and twist at the same time until it stops.
One set or the other. You don't consider matching those, okay? Now, once you got your set decided, what you want to do is take a look at the back of the pieces. One side is going to have a little blue square on the back.
So just keep going in one direction until it
A
stops.
red square. We'll match those up just like that, yeah. To the same squares that are on the chest.
You had it framed.
That goes red and blue. Red.
Perfect. Just until it stops. Alright, and then you'll be able to choose another one for the top part.
We push it up and then we activate the decision. We pull that down and then we deactivate it. Alright, next step is the four on top in front of you.
Now you can move on to your emitters for the top part.
The other will go on the bottom. You see.
You like those?
Once you take it, no matter what side you put it on, it doesn't matter as how you do it. You've got the right idea. The silver rings, you need to go towards the center of it. For you, it's the copper. So you need to go towards the center.
Very nice. Now you both can move on to step number 4, which is going to be your pommel caps for the bottom. Once those are on and you're happy with your builds, go ahead and place your sabers on the cradle to let me know that you're all done.
It's important. You need to put some pressure on it, some force. On the everlasting.
Very nice, my friend. Very well done. Perfect. Now when Kembe says activate, we're all going to activate together at the same time. So on her command, you're going to slide up to activate your saber and then down to deactivate. Okay? Congratulations.
It's going to go on the top, and then twist. So it's all the way up. Twist for a while. Check it out.
Same thing, when Kembe says activate, we're all going to activate together. So on her command, we'll slide up to activate. We're going to pick up to
No, I haven't decided.
How about you, my friend?
I'm building a lightsaber.
All of these reflecting different eras of Force wielder. While we have this moment, take a look at what you have created. Honor these choices. You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet. Which is good, because this is the dangerous part of the process. My friends, back away from the table. Move away from your hilts. We are going to stabilize these crystals for activation. A very simple process, unless we have inverted the emitter matrix. If we have done that inversion, my friend, what do you think happens?
Blows up.
It does blow up. You are 100% correct. As for the ultimate option over here, hopefully not, but almost certainly some time in a bacta tank. No good. But all that matters, do you feel safe?
Yes.
Yes. Good. That's 2 of you. All right. Don't worry. I'm going to modulate these frequencies myself. We're going to see how this goes. What's happening?
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. We're at the final stage of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I'm going to ask my builders to step forward. You will place your hands on your hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready?
Then step forward, my friends. Hands on hilts. Activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, deactivate those sabers. Well done.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. You hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber as you depart, we will offer you a saber sheath. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy, and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time, we'll be telling your stories. Builders, activate! Till the spire! Till the spire! Beautifully done, my friends. Head in that direction, and we'll make sure you can travel the outpost safely. Be well.
Thank you.